Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix the issue where Instagram Music is not showing all songs and get full access to the music library again in 2026. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To fix this issue, make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If your Instagram app is up to date, the next thing that you would do is to check if your account is on professional mode. If it's on professional mode, some of the songs would not show up. To change that, go to your profile, click the three lines. Inside the settings, go to For Professionals, and under the For Professionals, go to Account Type and Tools, go to Account Type, and switch Account Type. And switch it to Personal. And for the next fix, is simply reporting a problem to Instagram. To report a problem in Instagram, just scroll down, tap Help, and report a problem. After this, you can report whatever problem you have. In this case, reporting that Instagram Music doesn't show up. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.